Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, this is Shruti Thorat. I am first year computer engineering student from Zeal College of Engineering and Research. Under Project Based Learning Third, our members Pranit Shetty, Mayuri Shigwan, Shruti Shinde and me Shruti Thorat completed our project under the guidance of Professor Prakash Kshisagar sir. Our project is Student Management System and main objective of our project is to create a full stack use Student Management System using MEIRN stack. Now Pranit will show the coding and working of this project, and I would ask Pranit to tell us about the same.
Thank you, Shruti. So this is the working of an MERN stack application. So the front end will be created using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap and the React.js, and then the backend would be created using Express Web Framework, and then the Mongoose server to connection for the Mongoose database. So we will be using MongoDB as the database. It is called as MERN stack. M MongoDB, E Express, R React and N for Node.js. So this would be our basic working of the MERN stack application. So first of all, we would need to create a web server for it to be connected to the database to store and retrieve the student informations. So let's create a simple local server. So I have already created a server.js file in the backend. So this would be the backend code using expresscourse.env mongoose. So let us start this server on our local system using node server. So now you could see that we have connected to the port 5000 and MongoDB means the database is also connected. So now let's go to our front end where app.js is our main file. Here we have used various components as React uses reusable components which can be reused for various purposes. So let's run our application using npm start. So this is our home page of the student management system. So first of all, we would need to log in using some credentials which is given to the admin of this web page. So the login ID is admin123 and password is also admin123. So let's submit, and then you would go to a student info page where no student is added. So we'll add our first student using this add student. Let's submit this and you can see a user is got added. So let's student one more user. Let's submit. So you could see 2 entries. So here you can edit or delete or change the values accordingly. So let's change the value of Sam last and change the username. So here instead of 998 we want 111. So we have to enter the password again, and then if we submit, you can see here last Sam username has been changed. So let's change the branch name of the Rosie. So let's edit this and then change the CS to mechanical, and then let's submit. So here you can see branch has changed. Similarly, you can change any of this following columns. So let's add one more student and then let's submit this. So if we have to delete some entries from this list, we can also delete it using the delete keyword, and then you can see the entry has been deleted. So this was our student management system.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.